Hi friends, today I'm going to go over slide 9 for math. Again, we are multiplying digits by 10. I pulled up my place value chart that is located in Google Classroom under materials. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how they got 40,000 from 4,000 in this example. So the first thing I want to do is plug in the number that they gave me. So I'm always going to start with the ones right here on the far right. So I have a 0, 0, 0, 4. So I'm going to plug that into my place value chart. Here's my ones. 0, 0, 0, 4, or 4,000. Okay. Then it says 10 times that number. So remember, when we multiply, we're getting bigger. So we're going to shift to the left. So every number that I have here, my 4 is now going to go into my 10,000 column. My 0 will go into the thousands. My 10s will go into the hundreds. My 1s will go into the tens. And then we have to hold the place value since there's nothing left over here. And we have to fill in a 0. Every 3, 1, 2, 3, I put a comma right here between my thousands and my hundreds. So really I have 40,000, which is how they got this number. Let's do the same thing with the 8. So we're going to plug in the number. Actually, you know, they did this backwards. So we're going to plug in this number, 80. I always start with my ones, which is 0, and 8 in my tens. And this time, we have to figure out this number. So we're actually dividing. So when we're dividing, we're getting smaller. So when we get smaller, we shift everything to the right. So now this 0 is away because there's no more columns, and this 8, which is in the tens, falls into the ones, which is how they got 8 from 80. Okay? Let me go to another place value chart. I'll do a couple more. So I'll do one on this side. So I'm going to plug in 60,000. Always start with my ones. 6. And it says multiply 10 times that number. When I multiply, I'm getting bigger. So I'm going to shift all my digits to the left. So the 6 is now here. 0 is here. This 0 is here. This 0 is here. And this 0 is here. And I'm just going to hold the place value. I forgot him there. So now I have 1, 2, 3, comma right here, 600,000. Double click, 600. Remember, the comma is the button to the right of your M key. 000. Now I'm going to figure out this one. So I'm going to plug in 3,000. Start with my ones, 0, 0, 0, 3, 3,000s. And I have to figure out what I started with before I got 3,000. So I'm going to divide by 10. So I'm going to the right because I'm getting smaller. So this 3 will be in this column now. This 0 will go here. This 0 will go here. So I started with 300. 300.